Hey biology class, this is Mr. Worley here, starting up with section 8.3. Make sure you have a pen and a paper, make sure your book's with you, make sure you're ready to learn. Our goal is to describe the structure and function of the chloroplast. We also want to describe what happens in the light-dependent reactions. I need to put a space right there. And we want to explain what the Calvin cycle is. Identify factors that affect the rate at which photosynthesis occurs. Alright. Well, let's go turn to our books and let's take a look at some of our vocabulary. We have the thylakoid, we have the photosystem, stroma, NADP8, NAD+, light-dependent reactions, ATP synthase, and Calvin cycle. Oh my goodness, that looks like a lot of vocab words, but hey, don't worry. Even though it looks like a lot of vocab words, it's going to make sense. So, the reactions of the photosynthesis. Also remember that our lecture exercises are number 1 through 5, or visual thinking. You can do either one of those. Let's read together. The requirements of photosynthesis were discovered in the 1800s. It was not until the second half of the 1900s, however, that biologists understood the complex reactions that make this important cellular process possible inside a chloroplast. Okay, so remember our objective, which was to describe the structure and function of the chloroplast? That's what we're doing right now. Inside a chloroplast. In plants and other photosynthetic eukaryotes, remember that one? That's a cell with a nucleus. Photosynthesis takes place inside chloroplasts. The chloroplast, shown in figure 8.6, contains sac-like photosynthetic membranes called thylakoids. Thylakoids are arranged in stacks as grana. Oh my goodness, look at all of these different great vocab words. Okay, thylakoids, nice. Stacks, known as grana. Okay, proteins in the thylakoid membrane organize chlorophyll and other pigments into clusters known as photosystems. Oh wow, photosystems are the light collecting units of the chloroplast. Alright, so let's check out this neat graphic here. So here's a chloroplast. This is like a little factory in the cell, and you have the stroma is the space outside the thylakoid membranes. These right here are the thylakoids. They're basically like pancakes stacked up on each other. And what else do we learn? We learned what are the photosystems? A photosystem is basically chlorophyll put together in a special way that helps capture sunlight energy. Alright, not bad. Let's continue on. Please go to the next video and to page 208.